My name is Aya, I'm a tattoo artist and I'm studying computer science with AI at the Open University. I've always been creative since I was a kid. I would draw on walls, I would draw everywhere that I wasn't supposed to, and then I found out that you can draw on skin, so that was like my new fascination. I had an amazing first tattoo experience and I wanted to kind of provide that calmness and experience for others. Being a tattoo artist gives me that creative itch that I've been looking for, but I've also been very technical in my life. I love complex issues, which is where AI and computer science comes in. The technical aspect of machine learning interests me. I feel like I like to keep my brain challenged at the same time, but also creative, which is why I wanted to kind of have two careers, which seemed impossible, especially since they're both full careers and you need to dedicate so much time to them. The OU allows me to explore both of those polar opposite sides at the same time without having to sacrifice one or the other. I mainly study from home, from my desk, but sometimes after like a gym session, I'll study at the lounge. I hang out at my friend's tattoo studio and I can study there as well. I don't feel like I'm on my own when I'm studying at the Open University. I've actually made, I feel like, more friends than I would have if I'd gone to a traditional brick university, simply because it is such a huge online community. A lot of people go to the Open University. The other day I found that they have a Discord, and there's thousands of people in those Discord servers, so you can talk to people and you can connect through the online community. I'm definitely not the same person I was from when I first started my studies. I've become a lot more open-minded, and this community has helped me see the world from different corners and different perspectives that I otherwise wouldn't have noticed. I was relieved when I found the Open University. I thought that the idea of building two careers and being able to work two jobs in completely different fields was impossible, but the Open University made it possible. Traditional routes might not always work for you. Do your research, definitely do your research and look into other options, because I didn't even know this was an option, and it is for everyone. I feel like people have the misconception that it's for older people who maybe want to change their careers, but it's also perfect for people who want to manage more. And I feel like when you're younger, you want to try everything. That's why I always tell people is like you have to try everything at least once, and in order to try everything at least once, you should have the flexibility with that, and the Open University provides that for you.